This review is about Honor Magic V. Honor Magic V launches in a world where foldables have come into their own. The first few half-baked test dummies, like the Royal Flex Pi and Galaxy Z Fold, cracked when used in real-world conditions. In contrast to the outward-folding Huawei Mate X, the market has moving toward the inward-folding Samsung device. Huawei's Mate X2 carries forward this design. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 is one of the smartest phones you can own, combining dual-form, IP68 dust and water resistance, and S Pen support. There are tons of new foldables coming out now, from Oppo's Find N to Lenovo's ThinkPad X1 with flexible displays. There are no official plans for the Honor Magic V to launch in the West, at least officially. We know that it costs $1,530, £1,155, else $2,075 in China. A 256GB, 12GB RAM option is available, as well as a 512GB, 12GB RAM option. Our hands-on time was with the titanium silver color, one of 3 available colors. Honor's Magic V carries forward the styling Huawei and Samsung have used in their recent foldables with big screens. Because of its cover display size and a wide Full HD resolution of 1080 by 2560, it can handle being a phone even when closed. This cover display is backed by 10-bit OLED, HDR10+, and a 120Hz refresh rate. Though in the flesh and on the show floor at MWC 2022, we notice no weaknesses in the inner display. The Magic V's main display is larger than the Galaxy Z Fold 3's 7.6-inch screen. It's sharper too, but the Z Fold 3's 120Hz dynamic AMOLED 2X refresh rate is better. At 14.3mm thick when folded, the phone is relatively thin for a foldable. Also, we did not notice any apparent creases in this device, a result of it being likely box fresh. It has an aluminum frame, a glass front, and a glass back. Its backside sports a novel striated finish, which makes it stand out in a sea of glossy and matte versions. Since foldables already have the heft of their own, adding a big camera module to the mix will only add to their bulk. The Magic V won't be making our list of the best cameras of 2022 anytime soon. While we don't know which sensor is being used, it's great to see 350MP cameras on the Magic V. A 50MP camera with a 13mm lens provides a 122.0 field of view, matched with an aperture of f/2.2. The Magic V lacks optical zoom and WAA, so it trails the Z Fold 3. You'll find two 42MP front cameras with f/2.4 lenses. They are both on the cover display. There is a 4,750 mAh battery in the Magic V, larger than those in the Z Fold 3 and Huawei Mate X2. Despite the phone's larger screen, its fast charging gets it to 50% in just 15 minutes, even with 66 watts charging. The Honor Magic V features a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip. Since Honor parted with Huawei, the Android Play Store has been available in the West, which bodes well for the Magic V if the launch takes place outside of China. We tested the Honor V with the China version of Honor software, Magic UI 6, which is similar but offers region-specific apps. The Magic V does not have wireless charging, which is unlike Samsung's foldables.